So Google Spreadsheet for FormBold is now live. This video will show you how to connect your form with Google Spreadsheets. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in and click on the form you want to connect with Google Spreadsheet. So here I am. So then go to apps, then click on Google Sheet, and then you will be asked for a permission, then check mark it and click to continue. So it's loading. It will generate a sheet file, and it generated a sheet file that will save your submissions, and if you already have submissions, then it will be automatically pulled from there. So that's it. This is very straightforward and easy. So your spreadsheet is connected with your form, so every time you will receive a new submission, it will be directly inserted to your spreadsheet. And also if you connected existing form, the existing submissions will be on the spreadsheet as well. So thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any specific queries by comments or maybe opening a support ticket. Take care. Thanks for your attention.